We all love to have crystal clear windows, especially when we're entertaining guests. But what is the best and easiest way to clean them? Here we have the Karcher Wv5 window vac, which is ideal for combining cleaning performance and efficiency for streak-free windows. All we have to do is fill up the spray bottle with our Karcher glass cleaning concentrate and some water. Then we use the spray bottle to wet the dirty window and wipe it at the same time. Make sure to spray plenty of solution. The windows need to be nice and wet. Alternatively, you can use our Kärcher All Surface Cleaner, which can replace your spray bottle. Then we use the window vac to vacuum away all the detergent and dirty water. As you can see, the area is now clean. It's as simple as spray, wipe and vac. Now I'm sure that you noticed that the top of these windows are a little out of reach. For these, we can use the Kärcher Window Vac extension pole kit to clean those areas. Now we can reach the entire window, and it's not only windows that can be cleaned with our window vac, it's also great for pool fences, mirrors, car windows, splashbacks, and the list goes on. For the outside windows that are out of reach, even for our extension pole kit, we can use a Kärcher Pressure Washer with a telescopic lance to hose them down. Once your lance is connected and your water source is on, you can clean your windows from the ground quite easily. This is great for getting rid of all those dirt stains and spider webs that are usually out of reach. So there you have it, a Karcher solution for all your window cleaning needs.